Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the system out of the way so Geometry Dash can use resources. Update GPU drivers and Windows, then reboot. Drivers fix stuttering and micro-stutter. Close resource-heavy apps and overlays, Discord web browsers, streaming tools, because they steal CPU and memory. Switch your power plan to high performance and disable battery saver to prevent CPU throttling. Once done, use Task Manager to confirm CPU/GPU aren't saturated and free up at least 20 to 30% headroom before launching the game. Next, adjust graphics and Unity-related settings to reduce strain. In Geometry, dash lower resolution and set a stable FPS cap, target 60 or 120 depending on your monitor, to avoid uneven frame pacing. Disable VSync if it introduces input lag and test with triple buffering if your GPU supports it to smooth output. Open your GPU control panel and create a specific profile. Force maximum performance. Turn off post-processing and shader cache issues and disable full-screen optimizations. Once applied, relaunch the game and compare frame stability. Finish by cleaning up and verifying the game itself. Use the Launcher or Platform Verify option or reinstall Geometry Dash to remove corrupted assets that cause hitching. Delete any local cache or preferences so the game rebuilds fresh settings. Run as administrator and try Windows compatibility mode if crashes or slowdowns persist. If you still see lag, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party interference or test the game on another machine to confirm hardware limits. Tip: if problems continue, collect logs and GPU usage screenshots before seeking help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.